Order, deliver, get paid. Cash on delivery sounds simple enough. Until it's not, especially on Shopify when you need to install more than 10 apps just to build your cash on delivery store and system. But what if you could change that? Boom! CodMonster will make your cash on delivery business faster, easier, and less expensive. Let's discover all the powerful features. Smart Order Form. In the cash on delivery game, you need to make your checkout process shorter, less pages, and even fewer clicks. CodMonster has the Smarter Order Form built for cash on delivery, where you can collect orders in just one step. Add, delete, and rename form fields as you like, and it can be embedded on your product page or as a pop-up. Also, you will be able to collect abandoned orders using potential customers' phone numbers and reconvert them to customers. CodMonster upsells. With One-Click-Upsell, your customers can add more different products to their order in one click. Beside that, you have a powerful quantity offer built in the form with a nice design where you can sell 2 or 3 quantities instead of 1. Ready to use cash on delivery themes. We have multiple high-converting Shopify themes that are optimized for cash on delivery with multiple languages and the fastest page speed ever. Order synchronization. With Google Sheet integration, you can start receiving your orders and abandoned orders directly to your sheet. You can also customize the data you want to receive for better order management and processing for you and your team. Currency Converter. Now you can control your store currency manually or automatically based on where you are selling. You can sell the same product with the same link for $50 in India and maybe $80 in Saudi Arabia. You see, you are in control. Analytics and tracking. One pixel is not enough, so you can install multiple pixels without any coding. All you need to do is copy, paste, and run this lovely ad set, and do exactly the same thing as Snapchat, Google Analytics, and Google Tag. Reviews. You can add reviews to your store, knowing that building trust in your store matters. Analytics Dashboard. You also have an awesome analytics dashboard where you can see your business KPIs at a glance. And all that is in one app. Want to have a new cash on delivery journey? Start your free trial today.